to any customer at the moment, everybody is on their cloud journey. Everybody has a strategy of hybrid multi-cloud. Some applications are still sitting on-prem, some others are on public cloud, private cloud, Saas, different flavors, SAP, Oracle, Microsoft, Azure, AWS, so it's a melting pot, and it can be a nightmare for our customers. But what we do is that we help them completely manage the situation in the two main phases, the deploy phase and in the run phase. First, I speak about the deploy phase. We use our hybrid cloud management solution. We call it HCMX, X for digital transformation, to manage the whole deploy aspect. So we do the complete provisioning across multiple estates, on-prem, cloud, etc., as I mentioned before. And we make sure that this is done with a unified end-user experience with a self-service portal that is very intuitive. And this rapidity, this accuracy, and if I may say, the repetitive way in which we do it makes sure that we ensure compliance, security, but also cost control. Let's not forget that business users who need specific outcomes quick, they might go to their own cloud providers, and this is what creates what we call shadow IT. But when you are able to deliver this quick in a standard way, you avoid shadow IT, you control cost, and then you have the overall deploy experience. So this is the deploy aspect. Then we have the run aspect. Once the applications are deployed to cloud on premise, when they need to talk to each other, you need to make sure also that you are managing everything in a seamless way. So we make sure we are doing full monitoring, full discovery, full configuration, and this gives end-to-end observability, if I may say, across all platforms. And for the customer, it's the same experience in managing their environment. And of course, this comes with actionable insights and allows our customers to align to their business requirements as quickly as possible. At the moment, we have multiple solutions in our portfolio that are already on Saas. So for instance, the ADM portfolio, everything ranging from application lifecycle management, we call it Octane, the latest innovation that we have, performance testing, functional testing, all these state-of-the-art solutions that have been a hallmark of Micro Focus, and they are really the leading solutions in the industry, have been on Saas for quite a while. This is from the application side of the house. Then we have the operations management side of the house, and we have the ITSM, IT Service Management. Now we call it Service Management Automation X, SMAX, is available fully on Saas. Asset management, so IT asset management and financial management is a major aspect of managing every IT organization, and our solution is fully available on Saas. We talk about also the discovery and configuration, also available on Saas. And we will have more solutions coming shortly, before the end of this year. But almost 80% of the portfolio, 85% of the portfolio is already on Saas. So this is from the perspective of which solutions are available at the moment. Then speaking about the second part of your question regarding the flexible pricing. We offer what we believe is the most flexible consumption model in the industry. We allow our customers to switch between on-premise and Saas consumption model seamlessly. And we have what we call Saas Flex, our Saas Flex offering. And in a nutshell, I mean, what we do is when we sign a Saas agreement with our customers, we give them a certain number of credits that they can use over a certain period of time. And month by month, depending on how they are using our solutions, they can flex out of some solutions, maybe flex in of our other solutions, and use their credits according to their needs. So in a very efficient way. On a monthly basis, like 7 days before the month starts, we have our customer success manager who comes, reviews with them how much they have used, how much they want to use going forward. Do they want to stop some services, add some services, or continue with other services? and accordingly continue with the next month. So it's a flexible way of using your SaaS credits, and of course you can top it up and you can extend the contract when it's done. So it's a very nice way of using it. In addition to that, there's the ramp-up aspect. So we know with the move to cloud, not everybody is ready at the first moment, at time zero. So some customers go with the ramp-up option. So let's say they start with 20% of the population in the first year, then 50% in the second year, then the rest in the third year. So we allow this ramping up. That also comes back to the main point, which is optimizing your spend on SaaS. Performance testing in the cloud throws up a whole array of new considerations. First of all, I'd like to recap that our solution in performance testing, which is LoadRunner, has been the leading solution in the industry for a couple of decades, and we still go very strong. Just lately, we have helped a public sector organization test for 400,000 virtual users for an application that is sitting in the cloud with our SaaS offering for performance testing. Now, I go back to the considerations of testing in the cloud. So, applications that are sitting in the cloud, of course, you have to go through various network environments to get there. And it is paramount to be able to simulate those realistic network environments. It's not enough to just test the application, but how to get to the application via the cloud infrastructure. So this is something built in what we do. And allows to have the most accurate testing, performance testing in the cloud. This is one consideration. The other consideration is analytics and insight. So it's important when you do the load testing to use artificial intelligence, analytics, to get to the root cause as quickly as possible and learn for the next time, which allows a more efficient way of performance testing. And again, we do it seamlessly, built in our solution.